Hey friends, this is Atif Opir Val and welcome to the new update on Bonk. After the breakout from this recent down channel, the price line of Bonk is still retesting the previous resistance as a support and slightly geared up, but still moving very close to this resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long-term symmetrical triangle as well. You can see that since after the month of January 2024, it was moving inside this triangle. We had so many touch points here at the support, then we had a nice pump we got rejected, bounce, rejection. Then we had another rejection here, bounce, rejection, bounce, and finally we broke out. And after the breakout, we had this very powerful imminent pump. And for a while, the price and also broke out this long-term resistance zone that starts from $0.00004 and goes to $0.00044. But while retesting the previous resistance zone as support zone, the price and could not save this level. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that for several days, the price and has been retesting this level but finally, we broke it down and it was moving to the downside inside this channel. Now we have broken out recently this channel and we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like the trade setup for Hive, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup, like this trade signal I shared on 31st of December 2024 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Bonk. And this is the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it has been moving inside this channel since after 17th of November 2024. You can see that we had bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce. And after a few more rejections, finally the price and broke out the resistance. And now again, it is dropped down and retesting the previous resistance of the channel as support. This support will be very significant that we have here at $0.0002479 because this is the major swing low point before the breakout from this down channel. And by the way, this support has been previously working as a very strong resistance here for several days. And here as a resistance. And before that, here it has been working as support on the 7th of June 2024 as well. And here as a resistance. So it is also a quite long-term support level. And right now it is again working at a very, very nice support. We had a bounce here before the breakout from the channel, and now recently the price and is once again bounced very well from this support. By the way, if we take a look at the technical target for the breakout from this channel, then that target is here at the top of the channel at $0.000062. And if the price and reaches there, then it can again break out this long-term resistance line as well. Now here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term symmetrical triangle. If you are trading this breakout from this triangle, and you have bought a bonk after the breakout from this triangle, then you can set your stop loss by the way below this uptrend line support. This can work as a very strong and long-term uptrend line support for the price line. That is the support of this triangle. And the target for the breakout from this triangle is, by the way, as per this measurement, can be here. That is approximately at $0.0001, 3 times $0.01. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.